Hello, today I'm putting LED lights. This is for 2014 Chrysler 300S, and I'm putting LEDs in, and it's supposed to be plug and play. So I ordered this kit, and they give you everything you need, and you just need this part. You just put it in and plug this into your factory connector, and here I'll show you how I did it. Yeah, you take out the dust cap that's on here, and you stick the LED bulb in there, and you tuck all the ballast in there too, and then these heat things, you have to tuck them in there too, and then just put a dust cap over it. So you can see I spread out those copper sticks or whatever you call them, and here's the dust cap. I used to have HIDs in it, so now I'm just gonna put tape over it and some silicone to cover that hole.
Do the light.
And I put the dust cap back on, and you see I put some silicone on the. I put the tape in the back, and I put some silicone in the back so the heat won't go in there. But if you have the stock headlights and the cap, you just have to put the cover on, and that's it. All right, and this is my other side. This side's easier, the passenger side is easier. Right here, it's easier because you can just get it through here. But the driver's side, you gotta, I have aftermarket intake, so for the driver's side there's a little more room, but you still gotta remove the intake a little bit to get to the bulb. And this is how the lights look now. And for the fog lights, the bulb is H11, and it's right there. And same thing, make sure you spread the heat sinks, the heat shield thing, make sure you spread it out. And yeah, just tuck the ballast like carefully, and to get to it, you just unclip some clips, like 3-4 clips, and you'll be able to get your hand in there and change the bulb. And this is how it looks when it turns on. This is and here the fog lights are on. Put your fog lights, Walter? Okay. Alright, and here's a recap. You see these like rubber grommets? You have to drill I think it's a 1-inch hole in your dust cap, and you put this grommet over it, and then you see these 2 holes right there. You slide those copper fins through, and then you spread them out. Basically, you can't put those copper things inside your headlight, how I did it, but I seen some people did them too inside your headlight, and you just put a dust cap on, and it makes like a clean install. So hopefully there's no issue. I mean, if there'll be an issue, I can just contact the company and they'll just send me new bulbs. But yeah, if you want, you could drill a hole in your dust cap and stick the fins, those copper fins, through that and spread them out so it can be outside. And also, your low beam is 9012. That's your headlights is 9012. That's the bulb size. And for the fog lights is H11. Also, I had HIDs in my headlights and fog lights, and for them, this is like everything what you need. So it's a bunch of wires, and I needed cancelers for them too, because it didn't work that well if I don't connect the canceller. So if I connect this, it works. So I needed cancelers for my headlights and my fog lights. So it's a lot of wiring, but for this, it was just plug and play. So I just have to connect it, like you see in the video, and it works right away. So it was basically just plug it in and you're done. Nothing, you have to mess with nothing. Also, the 9012 bulb came with canvases. They give it to you, which is nice, because I thought I'd have to buy them separately, but they give it to you and I don't have to use them. So I did not use cancelers with LED. LED just work without it.